We are pleased to show you the 2017 Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, fog lights, remote vehicle start, four-wheel disc brakes, Sirius satellite radio, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, leather-wrapped steering wheel. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.